Greetings and thank you for tuning to the Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing issued on Thursday, February 15, 2024. And this forecast is going to be valid through Tuesday, February 20, 2024. And this presentation was prepared by Karen Rosado Vasquez. Here is the highlights of the special features that we have right now. There's a Caribbean gale warning, and this is going to happen Thursday night and Friday night. And we are expecting northeast to east winds, and they're going to peak to 40 knots, and seas will build to 13 feet, and this is going to be happening near the coast of Colombia. Then we have the Atlantic significant swell event ongoing, and this is going to last through Saturday night when conditions are, the seas are expected to be below 12 feet. And this is what we are experiencing right now is seas of 12 to 21 feet in a long period northwest to north swell. And this is happening north of 30 north between 45 west and 55 west. And these swells will continue to propagate southwestward to north of 23 north between 25 and 60 west by Saturday night. We are also going to be watching the western Gulf of Mexico, as there is a possibility that the gale warning may be needed. And what we are expecting is northwest to north gale force winds with 6 to 16 feet. And this is going to be happening over the western and central Gulf Saturday night and Sunday. These are the current conditions for Thursday, February 15. We have a high pressure off the coast of Georgia and South Carolina. We have a cold front from the central North Atlantic, or then transitioning into a stationary front north of East Cuba and going all the way to the Gulf of Honduras. And we have a developing gale due to the low pressures over South America and the high pressure that is going to build over the area. And here is what I just previously mentioned in the ongoing significant swell event. Today we have peak seas of 18 feet. Moving ahead to Friday, February 16, high pressure is going to move eastward and is going to build. So it's going to be at 1023 high pressure by Friday. And then the cold front will continue to push eastward and is going to start to dissipate in its southern end. The significant swell event will continue, and we are expecting Friday peak seas of 21 feet. And the developing gale for Friday night. Moving into Saturday, we are expecting another cold front to emerge into the Gulf of Mexico from the Texas coast. We are also expecting a weak low pressure to develop along this front. There's going to be a prefrontal trough associated with it. The low pressure over South America will continue. And on Saturday, we are seeing that how conditions in relation to the ongoing swell event are improving. It is on Sunday, February 18, where we are expecting gales over the western of Gulf of Mexico and over the central Gulf of Mexico. And this is where seas are going to peak near 16 feet. And we will continue to have fresh to strong trades in the Caribbean. And the significant swell event is already finished by then. Conditions have improved. On Monday, we are beyond the 72-hour forecast, so we don't have the surface features, but the cold front is going to continue to move eastward. It's going to start losing some baroclinicity, so there's not going to be as much as strong winds as we will see the day before. In terms of wave heights, wave looks are going to be less than 12 feet. And then for Tuesday, also, we continue to have some fresh winds in the Caribbean and over the Central Atlantic, but wave heights continue to be below 12 feet. In summary, we have the Caribbean gale warning for winds between 35 and 40 knots pulsing each night, Thursday night and Friday night, off of the coast of Colombia. Seas are going to peak to near 13 feet. We also have the ongoing Atlantic significant swell event, and we are expecting seas to peak to 21 feet on Friday, and we are expecting that the leading edge of 12 feet seas will continue to spread southeastward through Saturday night, and we are expecting seas to be below 12 feet late Saturday. Over the western Gulf of Mexico, we have the possibility of a gale warning. We are expecting a cold front to exit the coast of Texas on Saturday. In its wake, we are expecting gale force winds behind the front and possible gale winds in the western and central Gulf of Mexico Saturday night, and seas will peak to near 16 feet on Sunday morning over the western Gulf. Thank you for listening to the Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing. The next briefing is going to be issued on Sunday, February 20 by 5 p.m.